Hello friends, welcome back to Aunty Dann's kitchen. Today Aunty will be making fried beancurd glutinous rice roll. And this is the beancurd skin that I'm gonna use to wrap it later on. And this one is glutinous rice. I'm gonna cook it later on. And this one is diced breast meat. And this one, the condiments, garlic, shallot, ginger. And this one is dry mushroom, shiitake mushroom already soaked in water to make it soft. And this one is dry shrimp. And of course this is the breast meat. And this one is sugar, about 1 tablespoon. And this one is ground white peppercorn. And of course a little bit of cinnamon stick. So of course salt and ajinomoto. So stay tuned guys. Come, let's see an auntie do cooking. Okay. The oil is hot. Put in all the condiments of garlic, shallot, and ginger. The cinnamon stick. These are for the aroma. As usual, when I stir fried condiments, I always put salt. This is to enhance the aroma of the condiments. Alright, I'd like to stir fry the dry shrimp first. Okay, put in the chicken. The diced chicken breast, add in the ground black pepper, and then followed by the shiitake mushroom. Oops. Continue to stir fry. Okay, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and oyster sauce. Right, a little bit of light sauce. Okay. One teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of ajinomoto or MSG. Yeah? Continue to cook it. I like to add a bit of water to ensure the meat is fully cooked. We'll fry it for a while. Alright friends, I want to mix the fried chicken that already fried with mushroom and the dry shrimp. I'm going to mix with this glutinous rice. Okay, we slowly mix it. Okay, we mix it well. The glutinous rice, mix it well with the chicken ingredient. The chicken that has been stir fried with shiitake mushroom, dry shrimps. Now it's fully mixed already. And is ready for the flowing step. Okay, the tip is that because this beancurd skin is salty, it's glazed with salt, so we have to wipe the salt away with this damp cloth, wet cloth. We have to wipe the excess salt. Okay, that's it. Then we start making. This is how we do it. You make the shape, do it like this. Then we put it here. Okay, then we wrap it. As you wrap it, you press it so that it will stick together. And then flip this side, flip the other side. And then you glaze it with egg. This is egg wash. Okay, then you press it and roll it. Make it tight. Ta-da! So cute. One more time. Alright, the oil has been heated up. Now it's time to fry the glutinous rice roll. Alright, once it's golden brown, then it's ready to be served. Okay. Alright, this is the ending of Auntie's cooking. Fried beancurd glutinous rice rolls. Thank you for watching. Do try the recipe, yeah? And do subscribe, like, comment, and share. May God bless all. Bye-bye. See you in the next video.